how to buy 219 million token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of 219M. That stand for 219 million followers. As you can see, if you check their this X post, as you can see under this accounts, so they said that breaking Elon Musk has surpassed 219 million followers. He is the most valuable account on X. Sorry. So that's why this token came out. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours, as you can see. Now the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token also trending right now number 2 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your phantom wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure to have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you're facing an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without your issue. So this is how to buy 219 M token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.